Yeah, people, you know it's your boy Grizzly Bear, and they are represent for the ultimate dancehall reggae vibes. Yes, so watch you now. We're gonna talk about Unruly Fest 2024 in a London. Yeah, watch them, man. Look them, man. Come here now. Yeah, so this is Spice. Spice the ultimate. I want to say Spice the ultimate. The ultimate. This woman, this queen, this entrepreneur deal with the business. Big up yourself, Popcaan. And I mean one more for Jamaica for the culture. Yeah, youth. That is Spice right there. Look on a video there. Watch a video, yeah. Look on a little piece of clip, yeah. Yeah, go there now, mama. Alright, see it there. Love the vibes, people. So, this is Spice executing on the highest level. You know what I mean? Look on the outfit. Think about the entrance. You know what I mean? The blue with them diamond something there and that queen type of attirement there. You see me and say that something they were forward up around the side part right there. So them type of look there, and then the silk material, you know what I'm saying? No? You see me and say, yeah, quality. Quality, look on the shoes. Why mama la split the way just go with right there, so? Oh my word, man, a Jamaica that raw. Right there, dancehall. Yeah, people, I tell you, I love it. When I see the artists them from my country go over in our next place and I deal with on a level there. And then when I look on the patron level, the amount of people were forward out to contribute towards my culture, yeah, I feel good about it. I swear to you, I feel nice. This is Spice. You know what I mean? Yeah. The queen of dancehall. You hear me say, it. You hear me say it. Yeah, because right now she represent. And when time I look, she represent. And I wall out. With some new song too. And some new something about business and them type of something that one mind your business. I say me I say, because if you mind your business, a whole heap of gold and diamond you can find in your business, you know. Yeah man, I allow people business alone. You see me I say, yeah man. So she go on with one whole heap of something around a one part. And people, the summer hot. You hear me talk. So, if for the first time you hear my voice, my name is Grizzly Bear. And it would be nice, you know what I mean, if you go one of them dancers, subscribe there. You see me I say? Hit the notification bell so you know say you get the latest. Yeah. Dancehall reggae vibe. Update. Is it? Yeah. So nothing miss you, nothing left you. You can share with your cousin, your auntie too. You see me? Yeah man, so Unruly Fest 2024. High energy, I love it. I swear to you. Look there. Watch it. Come here now.